One of the things I've completely changed my mind about over the last 2 years is my concept of calorie deficits. Okay, I used to be the guy that used to tell you, oh, all you need is a calorie deficit, or you can just eat donuts the entire day and lose weight. 2 years later, I think I was completely wrong about that. See, don't get me wrong, the rest of this video is not to convince you that you can eat in some sort of surplus and lose weight. That is physiologically impossible. Let's cut that shit out right now. You're not eating in a surplus and ever losing weight. What I'm trying to explain is this concept of food quality over quantity. Take me, for example. A year ago, I was eating 1800 calories a day and it had become maintenance for me. A year later, I currently eat 2800 calories a day and I am continuing to lose weight right now. What has improved by a ton is my food quality. I used to be the kind of guy that, used to eat a lot of candy. As long as it just stayed within that limit, I would just eat a shit ton. Over the past year, one thing you'll notice with my food in general is that it's become extremely single ingredient. No processed foods. I eat almost nothing. Other than the chupa chups that I eat, there's almost nothing that's processed. And we see this in literature as well right now. We know that cellular health is very correlated to the kind of foods that you eat. That gut-brain axis in general also does control a large chunk of your mental health. And something else that's super interesting to note, activation of AMPK, which is essentially the energy sensor of the cell, is improved by a ton when you look at single ingredient foods over processed foods. When you combine single ingredient or unprocessed foods along with training, you notice that the AMPK remains activated, which essentially just tells your cells to continue that process of fat oxidation.